Fact or fiction? You need special glass cleaner for your tinted windows. By the power of all glass technicians before me, I declare this one a fact. Tinted windows are covered by a thin plastic film, which can be damaged by various chemicals in commercial glass cleaners. They require different care than non-tinted windows. Here are some tips to help you look after your vehicle's window tint. Make sure you use a specially formulated auto glass cleaner made for tinted windows, such as Glass Doctor's Glass Cleaner. You'll need to work in the shade, so the cleaner doesn't evaporate in the sun. Microfiber cleaning cloths are safe for all vehicle surfaces. Use the microfiber to wipe in horizontal strokes for exterior glass and vertical strokes for interior glass to help you spot pesky streaks. If you're moving on from cleaning your tires to your windows, grab a new clean cloth to get the job done. A few mistakes car owners make when caring for tinted windows includes using all-purpose ammonia-based cleaners. These damage your tint over time and are more likely to streak or fog up your windows. Sponges also wear down your tint, and towels are too rough. Tinted windows help fight against blazing hot interiors. They also provide added security from onlookers who might peer into your car. Follow these tips to keep them in tip-top shape.